So today I'll be starting with Pandas data frame. So in data frame, we upon printing particular data, we will get row as well as column. Not like Pandas series. In Pandas series, we were getting all the data in only in column, but now in Pandas frame, using this attribute, we will get all the data in row as well as in column. So let's start. So I will be first import pandas seed. Okay, import pandas. So import pandas is let's say PD, and I will take the data. So the data should be in dictionary. Okay, so make a dictionary. Let one element will be ID. Okay, so I will take ID and assign it to uh, ID, let's say A, B, and then I will take also C. Okay. So I will take one more. So column will be visible. ID, and let's say take salary. Okay. And assign it to some data. Salary like take uh, 20. It's very small, but I'm taking just for sake of the learning. Okay. So okay. So I get the data and let's assign this data with this particular pandas. So here we have to select for data frame. Okay, so we want it to get all the data in row and column. So I selected that particular, and here the particular data we want to read. Okay, so I will print this particular data and run the file. Okay, so let's check the output. So by mistakenly, I printed the data. So we have to print particular X. So now result will be fine. So I'm running the code. Okay. So here I will be getting all the data in particular row as well as in column. So by using this, we can uh, do all these data in particular row and column. Also, we know how to change these indexes. So let's do it. Here we will write index and assign some values to the particular index. I will be taking x, y, z, x, y, and z. And now again run the file. Okay, so here we will get all these data here. Okay, so thank you.